So, you always tell me not to experiment on guests, and I'm taking your advice, and we're gonna make vegan fish and chips tonight. Believe me?
Okay.
Maybe we should get Jim. He's around here somewhere, isn't he? Hey, Jim!
Oh,
Here we go. It's all right here on YouTube.
Jim!
The ingredients you'll need are as follows. To make the fish, we're going to use banana blossom. You can find this at most Asian markets. For the dry mix, we're going to use 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. For the dredge, we're going to use 1/2 cup of chickpea flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. We're also going to use a tablespoon of lemon juice and 3/4 cup of cold, very cold soda water.
Thank you for watching One Cancer Patient YouTube channel. Please let us know if you liked the video by hitting that thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell button to see when our latest videos are posted. Have a great day, and goodbye.